Wondering how to create Instagram stories that will resonate with your audience? Looking for inspiration? Take a break, sit back, grab your favorite snack because this video will explain 2 ways to use Instagram stories to enhance your engaging content before you can finish a bag of Trader Joe's ghost pepper potato chips. Hello and welcome to Snackable Hacks. We share the hottest social media hacks to help you tell your story and reach the masses, paired up with the hottest snacks in the market. Like, subscribe, and let's dive in. An estimated 250 plus million active users view Instagram stories every day. Because stories content has only a 24-hour lifespan, it generates a sense of urgency. Here are 2 ways you can use Instagram stories video to promote your brand or business. Introduce the people behind your products and services. Social media attention began for Sam, a teenager with autism and Starbucks employee, after a customer in Toronto, Canada noticed him dancing as he prepared beverages and thought the moment was video worthy. Over 72 million people have watched the video as it spread through the Love What Matters page and was all over Facebook. Sam also appeared on the Ellen DeGeneres show and was even surprised with a trip from her. Due to its long history of inclusion, Starbucks was also recognized as a best place to work in 2016. You can add a human touch to your content by showing the people behind your brand. For instance, get individual team members to share how they contribute to getting your product to market, or create a brief montage of how you manufacture your product. Have you ever seen a brand doing a good job telling stories and using social media to reach the masses? If so, let us know in the comments below. Also, some people would go as far as reviewing this bag of chips as more disappointing than my first marriage. Yikes. It's commonly known that the ghost pepper is the hottest pepper in the world, which is why this bag is a letdown. But on the brighter side, I think it's not a bad chip to enjoy if you're not craving something super spicy. Okay. Moving on. Show your products in action. Blendtec's show Will It Blend was developed accidentally by a new marketing director hired in 2006. The company has always tried to break its blenders to find new fail points and determine how they can improve. The new marketing director discovered some of the wacky things the company was doing to the blenders. With a $50 budget, he bought a Happy Meal, Coke cans, golf balls, and a few other items, and they made 5 videos. 6 days later, Blendtec had 6 million views on YouTube. 6 years, 120 plus videos, almost 200 million views later, Will It Blend has been named by Ad Age as the #1 viral marketing campaign of all time. Showing viewers a sneak peek of your product can be a nice visual companion to a spec sheet. When you create your video, give viewers a feel of what the product looks like and any notable features that they might like. Instagram stories are about genuine, in-the-moment interactions, so your video could be unscripted and a spontaneous representation of your product in action. We're continuing to navigate what it means to tell our story and reach the masses one snack at a time. Join me on this journey to learn the power of storytelling to drive success, growth, and influence. Stay hungry. See you next week.